Exercise 5. A rectangle has width W inches and area of A square inches. So let's draw that. So it has a width of W and A is its area. The length is 4 more than 3 times the width. So the length is 4 more than 3 times the width. So it's going to be 3 times width plus 4. And which of the following equations represents the area? We know that the area is given by the product between length and width. So it's going to be 3W plus 4 multiplied by W. And if I distribute, it's going to be 3W squared plus 4W, which obviously makes A the right answer for this question.